Hello students. So the next chapter now in the study of compounds is nitric acid. So first of all, what is the formula of nitric acid? The formula for nitric acid is HNO3. Okay, this is nitric acid. You also might have seen HNO2 written somewhere. So this is HNO2. When the number of oxygen is less, that will be acid, nitrous acid, and when the number of oxygen is more, it will be nitric acid. Similarly, if I take H2SO4 and H2SO3, the acid with lesser number of oxygen will be and the acid with greater number of oxygen will be ic. So this is sulfurous acid, sulfurous, and this is sulfuric acid. So this is our next chapter. So now we have to deal with nitric acid. So here you can see the structure of nitric acid, how the different atoms in nitric acid are bonded to each other and how many bonds are there. So if I draw it here, nitrogen has 5 valence electrons. So what we need one H, one N and 3 oxygen. Okay, so if I take it, this one and here, one oxygen and one here hydrogen. Remember, nitrogen has 5 valence electrons. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oxygen has 6 valence electrons, so it needs 2 more electrons either through sharing or through bond or through transfer. So here it is getting the electrons in shared form, one from nitrogen and another one from hydrogen. This hydrogen is also having 1 electron. So this is complete. The octet for oxygen is complete. The duplet for hydrogen is complete. Then here next again 1 oxygen and 1 hydrogen we are done with, 1 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. So now 2 oxygen is left, 2 oxygen atoms. What we can do, this way we can do, both the bonds are to oxygen. Now if we bring 1 oxygen which is taking or sharing both of the electrons without itself contributing a single electron, so this type of bond is known as coordinate covalent bond. You have studied it earlier in chapter 2, chemical bonding. So this is coordinate covalent bond, or its synonym is dative bond. So what you need to remember here is this nitrogen is having 5 valence electrons. These 2 electrons which are shared between nitrogen and oxygen, in this sharing oxygen is not contributing even a single electron. So this type of bond is coordinate covalent bond. In all the other cases you can see 50-50 contribution, 1 electron from oxygen, 1 electron from nitrogen, 1 electron from oxygen, 1 electron from nitrogen. So that bond will be known as covalent bond. So this is the structure of nitric acid.